Today we will discuss some more problems of quadratic equation, and this would be the last video of quadratic equation. In the next video we will discuss about circles. So let's start. Today's first problem is if the equation quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has one root as 2 plus root 3, where a, b, c are rational, one root as 2 plus root 3, then we have to find other root and the quadratic equation. We know that if the coefficient of quadratic equation are all rational, then the roots which are irrational or which are complex, they always occur in pair. So the one root is 2 plus root 3, the other will be 2 minus root 3. And once we note the both root, we can easily find the equation as x square minus sum of roots whole x plus product of roots equal to 0. So you can do it easily. One more question on this same concept. If quadratic equation x square plus 2x plus 3 and ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, ABC belongs to R, have a common root, then A is to B is to C is ABC are rational. We can see that x square plus 2x plus 3, this has d less than 0. So it would have root something a plus iota b and a minus iota b, something like this. So one root of these two equations are common, then it is the guarantee that the other root would be also common. So the a is to b is to c would be 1 is to 2 is to 3, because they both are the same equation. Then it can be only valid that one root is common. As this equation has a d less than 0 and it has a rational coefficient, so it has one root as a plus iota b and second root at a minus iota b. This was the problem. We will move to the other problem. Other second question is e to the power sin x minus e to the power minus sin x minus 4 equal to 0 has number of roots. We will consider e to the power sin x as t minus 1 by t is equal to 4, t square minus 1 is equal to 4t, t square minus 4t minus 1 equal to 0, and we will use minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a is equal to e to the power sin x, and we will try to calculate the value of uh, any term which would be coming negative. E to the power sin x is always positive, e to the power sin x is less than 0, this x belongs to 5, and from where we will get some of the roots which you can easily calculate. We will proceed further. Question number 3. Alpha beta are roots of the equation x square minus 6x minus 2 equal to 0. An is alpha to the power n minus beta to the power n and greater than equal to 1. Then we have to find a10 minus 2a8 by 2a9 is equal to what? We can do this. It has come multiple times in IIT and mains as well. A10 would be alpha to the power 10 minus plus beta to the power 10 minus 2 times alpha to the power 8 plus beta to the power 8 by 2 times alpha to the power 9 plus beta to the power 9. And now we will 10 to the alpha to the power 10 minus 2 alpha to the power 8 plus beta to the power 10 minus 2 beta to the power 8. And now we will, as we know that alpha beta are the roots of this equation, so it will satisfy this equation. So we can write alpha square minus 6 alpha minus 2 equal to 0 and beta square minus 6 beta minus 2 equal to 0. We will use these two equations to proceed further. Now alpha to the power 8 alpha square minus 2 plus beta to the power 8 beta square minus 2 by 2 times alpha to the power 9 plus beta to the power 9. Now we can see that alpha square minus 2 is equal to 6 alpha. Beta square minus 2 is equal to 6 beta. We will use these values here. 6 alpha, 6 beta. Now we can solve this. Alpha to the power 9 plus beta to the power 9, 6 by 2. Divide by alpha to the power 9 plus beta to the power 9. This will get cancelled. Answer will be 3. Now we will take one more question. It is a mixture of two topics, quadratic and equation and AOD, application of derivative. You must have some basic idea of the application of derivative to solve this question. So we will take x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to k. This is a given equation. We have to find first the value of k such that x square minus 3x plus 2 fx बराबर x square minus 3x plus 2 and fx बराबर k intersect at right angles. Second, the same question intersect at 30 degree. Third, same question intersect at 60 degree. These are the three parts which we will solve. So it is very simple. Just you have to know the concept of application of derivative, how to know the angle between the two curves. And here it is very simple, as one is a horizontal line. Our equation is x square minus 3x plus 2. 1 and 2 are the roots. You can write it as x minus 1, x minus 2. This is our graph. Something like this. And we can draw y barabar k as something like this. And we have to find this angle, the value of k. So we can find x square minus 3x plus 2. This is y. dy by dx is the slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent. So this line is working as the x-axis and the slope would be the same as this. So dy by dx is 2x minus 3. Dy by dx, if the slope is, if the angle between those two is 90 degree, then the slope would be infinity. This is equal to infinity. Then x is also infinity. So no value of x for which it could